Have you ever wondered how you can remove an object or multiple objects from an image or picture? Something like these birds, you remove them and you have a plain background like this. Today I'll be walking you step by step on how to do that on Canva. So let's get started. Open your browser and enter the URL canva.com/photo-editor. I would put in the URL, the link in the description of this video. This interface or web page will greet you if the URL you entered is correct. So you go ahead and click on upload your image. You choose the image you want to use. For us, we'll be using a background, an image that has birds flying in nature. So let's do that. Now that we have successfully uploaded our image, click on the image, then click on the edit button. On the extreme right left of the canvas, you will see magic grab. Then click on it. Allow the AI some time to identify the individual images or objects in the picture, after which you can now select the image or the object you want to remove or grab in the canvas or in the image. Okay, now we are done selecting the images we want, the object we want to remove from the picture. So we have to click on grab. Now Canva is done grabbing the image. You can remove them, you can flip them, you can play around with them and do whatever you want to do with the image or object you selected. But for this video, we'll be deleting them. So let's do that. To delete an object, click on the object, then click on the delete icon. That will be it for today. If you found value in today's video, please do subscribe to my channel. And next week we'll be uploading another video on how to animate a still object. So till next week, happy creating.